Understanding tiny home living beyond the initial purchase price. At any time, please grab your completely free guide inside the description or below this video for more helpful tips. When considering the appeal of tiny home living, it's easy to focus solely on the initial purchase price. However, truly understanding tiny house expenses means looking beyond that upfront cost to uncover the hidden costs tiny homeowners often face. From utility hookups and maintenance to zoning permits and customization fees, unexpected tiny home costs can quickly add up if you're not prepared. Budgeting for tiny homes requires a comprehensive approach. Factoring in these additional expenses ensures you won't be caught off guard down the road. By planning carefully and anticipating all potential costs, you can enjoy the freedom of tiny living without compromising your financial stability. Hidden cost. 1. Utility setup and monthly bills. When considering the true expenses of living in a tiny home, many overlook the hidden costs associated with utility setup and ongoing monthly bills. While tiny homes promise simplicity and savings, setting up essential utilities can quickly add up. For instance, electricity costs for a tiny house may seem minimal at first glance, but factors like increased appliance use or reliance on electric heating can drive bills higher than expected. Water hookup fees are another often underestimated expense. Connecting to municipal water systems or installing private wells involves upfront fees that can strain your budget. Additionally, propane expenses for cooking and heating can fluctuate based on usage and regional prices, making it crucial to factor these into your financial planning. If you opt for an off-grid lifestyle, off-grid energy costs, such as solar panel installation and battery maintenance, can be significant investments up front, even if they reduce monthly bills over time. Understanding these hidden utility costs ensures you're fully prepared financially and helps avoid surprises that could undermine the affordability of tiny home living. Hidden cost 2. Maintenance and repairs. You might overlook. When considering the appeal of tiny homes, many overlook the ongoing expenses tied to tiny house maintenance. While the initial investment may seem modest, hidden costs such as roof repairs tiny homeowners frequently face can quickly add up. Unlike traditional houses, tiny homes often require specialized materials or contractors familiar with their unique structures, making even routine maintenance pricier than anticipated. Plumbing fixes are another common yet underestimated expense. Due to compact layouts and unconventional plumbing systems, minor leaks or clogs can escalate into costly repairs if not addressed promptly. Additionally, seasonal upkeep costs, like winterizing pipes or clearing debris from gutters, are essential to prevent long-term damage, but often slip under the radar during budgeting. By acknowledging these hidden maintenance and repair expenses up front, prospective tiny house owners can make more informed decisions and avoid unexpected financial strain down the road. Proper planning ensures your cozy living space remains comfortable and cost-effective for years to come. Hidden cost 3. Zoning and permit fees for tiny homes. When considering the dream of tiny home living, many overlook a crucial factor that can quickly inflate the budget: zoning and permit fees. Tiny home permits cost more than just a simple application fee. Navigating the complex zoning regulations tiny houses face often requires time, effort, and sometimes costly legal assistance. These hidden expenses can catch even the most prepared homeowners off guard. Zoning laws vary widely by location and may restrict where tiny homes can be placed or what size is permissible. Securing approval often involves detailed paperwork and compliance with local codes, which can lead to unexpected legal fees tiny home living enthusiasts must bear. Ignoring these requirements isn't an option. Non-compliance could result in fines or forced relocation. Understanding and budgeting for these hidden costs up front ensures your tiny home journey remains smooth and financially viable. Don't let zoning hurdles derail your plans. Invest in proper permits and expert guidance to make your tiny house dream a reality without unwelcome surprises. Hidden cost. 4. Storage solutions and space optimization expenses. When it comes to tiny homes, storage solutions and space optimization expenses are often an overlooked hidden cost that can significantly impact your budget. While the idea of living small promises simplicity, the reality is that maximizing every inch requires thoughtful investment. Opting for storage options in tiny homes is not just about fitting belongings into tight spaces. It's about creating functional, efficient areas that make daily life comfortable. However, these solutions rarely come cheap. Custom furniture cost is a major factor here. Unlike standard pieces, custom-built furniture tailored to your tiny home's unique dimensions ensures you utilize every nook and cranny effectively. But crafting such bespoke items involves skilled labor and quality materials, which can quickly add up. Similarly, space-saving solutions price tags, from fold-away beds to multi-purpose cabinetry, reflect their specialized design and engineering. Ignoring these expenses can lead to compromises in comfort or cluttered living conditions that defeat the purpose of downsizing. By anticipating and budgeting for smart storage options and custom designs up front, you ensure your tiny home remains both practical and inviting without unexpected financial strain. Investing wisely in these areas guarantees a harmonious balance between minimalism and functionality in your compact living space. Hidden cost. 5. Insurance and property taxes for tiny homes. When considering the true affordability of tiny homes, it's crucial not to overlook hidden expenses like insurance and property taxes. Many prospective tiny homeowners underestimate the tiny house insurance cost, assuming it will be minimal due to the home's size. However, homeowners' insurance for tiny houses can sometimes be higher than expected because insurers view these unique dwellings as specialized properties requiring tailored coverage. Additionally, property tax on small homes varies widely depending on location and classification. Some municipalities may assess taxes similarly to traditional homes, while others might have special rates or exemptions. Ignoring these costs can lead to unexpected financial strain down the line. To make an informed decision, it's essential to research and budget for both insurance premiums and property taxes from the outset, ensuring your tiny home truly remains a cost-effective lifestyle choice. Smart budgeting tips to manage hidden costs effectively in tiny home living. When embracing tiny home living, it's essential to go beyond the initial purchase price and focus on smart budgeting to manage hidden costs effectively. Tiny home budget planning isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about anticipating those unexpected fees that can quickly add up. From maintenance and utilities to zoning permits and custom furnishings, hidden costs often catch new tiny homeowners off guard. To save money on small house living, start by creating a detailed budget that includes these potential expenses up front. Research local regulations thoroughly to avoid costly fines or modifications later. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and insulation to reduce utility bills over time. Additionally, consider multifunctional furniture and DIY projects that not only personalize your space, but also keep costs down. By applying these financial tips for tiny homes, you'll gain control over your spending while enjoying the freedom of minimalist living. Smart budgeting ensures your tiny home journey is both affordable and sustainable, turning your dream into a financially sound reality. Prepare wisely to enjoy the freedom of tiny home living without financial surprises. Embracing tiny home living offers unparalleled freedom and simplicity, but it's essential to prepare thoughtfully to avoid unexpected financial challenges. By carefully planning your budget, researching costs, and anticipating potential expenses, you can ensure a smooth transition into this lifestyle. Taking the time to understand all aspects, from construction and maintenance to utilities and permits, empowers you to enjoy the benefits of tiny home living with confidence. Prepare wisely now, and you'll unlock the true joy and financial peace that come with a well-planned tiny home journey. That's it for this video. Don't forget to visit the link in the description or below this video to grab your complete guide on the benefits of choosing a tiny house for your vacation in the USA. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Understanding tiny home living beyond the initial purchase price.